Hey YouTube, this is Eric with Dub Design. Today I wanted to talk really quick about a new printer that Creality has announced called the Creality Hi. They have the two versions called the Creality Hi Combo and a Creality Hi, just the printer by itself. And what's really interesting about this printer is that it is very closely positioned to be a direct competitor to the Bambu Lab A1. It has a lot of the same dimensions, so it's actually a very similar size. But it actually comes in cheaper. They are listing it on their store right now. It's not available to buy yet. They just announced it at CES, which if you're not familiar with CES, it's the Consumer Electronics Show going on in Vegas right now. But they've listed it at $469, and what's interesting is it's $20 cheaper than the Bambu A1. It has a lot of really awesome features, stuff that I'm actually really excited about because it may actually make me consider a bed slinger again as one of my print options. It's compatible with the Creality CFS, their Creality filament system, and it also scales up to 16 colors. So if you don't know about the CFS that Creality offers, it looks like a Bambu Lab AMS, right? It's the same type of package. And with the A1s on the Bambu Lab, they only offer four-color multicolor printers, four-color multicolor prints. But with the Creality Hi, it looks like you can actually daisy chain four of those together for 16-color multicolor prints. Creality Hi, they're positioning it to be that answer to the Bambu Labs A1. You know, the A1 for a bed slinger is pretty much the top entry-level printer that most people go to. The Bambu Lab knocked it out of the park when they designed that and released it. And yeah, I mean, this looks really cool, really nice, and very well thought out. It's a clean package. It looks good. The CFS system does have some upgrades. Build volume on the Creality Hi appears to be 260 by 260 by 300, so you're actually getting more of the taller build volume. Yeah, I mean, Creality really seems like they have stepped up their game. They're no longer putting out printers that look like something that you order from AliExpress and you have to put together. This one comes almost fully assembled. I think it says 95% pre-assembled. So like I mentioned, the Creality Hi combo and the printer itself aren't available for purchase just yet. They just announced it at CES today. But I am actually going to be putting my email address into the waitlist because I think this is something that I could really use. And yeah, it's just a very clean, good-looking package. The CFS system I'm very excited about. The AMS is great on the Bambu Lab, but the CFS looks like it has more to offer, and it's easier to service from everything that I've seen online. So with this and the K2 Plus are two printers that I'm going to be highly considering this year if and when I need to expand. So yeah, good job to Creality. It's a great package that they put together, and I'm excited to see how it does. All right, I think that does it for today. I just wanted to talk really quickly about this new printer that Creality announced. It looks really nice package, and the price is good. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And if you like this type of content, leave me a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.